Okay, so I was at Gongcha. This is Gongcha in Toronto, and they have this special flavor. It's called strawberry green tea. So I'm gonna try it out. And then this one here is a strawberry passion fruit Earl Grey tea with Kanten jelly, large. So let's try this out. Okay. So I tried this one out. It has a really strong tea flavor, a strong like black tea sort of taste. Now I'm gonna try some of that new jelly. Oh, it's different. Those little balls that jelly has, they're really bouncy. They're different. So they're not like tapioca. Like they actually bounce in your mouth. And this one here. If I had to choose one, I actually like the other one better. So this one has a very subtle strawberry taste, but more tea taste. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.